How to reinstall Waze without losing your data? Let's get started. First, make sure you are signed into your Waze account like Google, Facebook, or Apple ID before installing the app. This ensures your favorite points and driving history are safely backed up in the cloud. After install, to reinstall Waze, open the Google Play Store and search for Waze at the search bar. Then tap Install, wait for the app to download and install. Once installed, tap Open and tap Login. Choose the same method you used before, Google or email. Waze will automatically sync all your favorites, routes, points, or history from the cloud. And that's it. Waze is reinstalled, fully synced, and ready to navigate. And if this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. And see you in the next video. And thank you for watching.